Oh, look at this angelic creation.
Hey, what's up, Eat Squad? Today I'm going to show you how to make the best Chicken Jalfrezi. It's an Indian curry loaded with its signature bell peppers and onions in a spicy tomato sauce. Let's get it. So we're going to start off with our hot pan and some vegetable oil. Once the oil gets nice and hot, I'm going to add in our cubed onions, our minced garlic, smashed ginger, and a few green chilies. I'm just going to give that a quick stir and a head start in the pan. Next, I'm going to add in our bell peppers, both green and orange. You can certainly just use one, but I like using different colors of peppers to get the subtleties of flavor and a nice pop of color. And now for the good stuff, our spices. We're just going to hit it with some turmeric, a whole lot of garam masala, coriander, red chili powder, cumin, a little bit of black pepper, some salt, and finally some sugar to really round out all of that great flavor. As these veggies are coming along, we want to make sure that they still hold a nice bite. If at any point these veggies are getting too tender, you can take them out to give them a rest from the heat and then add it back in at the end. Next, we're going to add in our chicken. If you have time, you can certainly marinate the chicken beforehand with these spices to get even more flavor. If you want the exact measurements, check out the description box below. I'll write out a full-length recipe so you can make this delicious chicken jalfrezi at home. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can keep seeing more delicious recipes. Once the chicken cooks about 3/4 of the way, I'm going to add in some tomatoes. I have some diced as well as a puree. I found this to be a good combination for the texture. I'm going to let this simmer until the flavors marry together and the diced tomatoes cook down. If at any point the curry starts to get too dry, just add in some water and let it simmer. The jalfrezi has been simmering on medium for about 20 minutes and has thickened up to the desired consistency. And there you have it, folks, chicken jalfrezi.